Imagine two giants in the world of crypto, each shaping the future in a different way. On one side we have Bitcoin, the pioneer, on the other Ethereum, the tech-savvy disruptor. But what makes them so different? And why should you care? Let's dive in and explore the key differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Welcome back to my channel where we break down blockchain concepts for everyone. In today's video we're looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most well-known cryptocurrencies in the world. Whether you're a beginner or a crypto enthusiast, understanding the differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum is key to understanding the blockchain revolution. So let's start with some basics and then dive into what sets them apart. Bitcoin and Ethereum were created with very different visions. Bitcoin was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous creator known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Its main purpose? To be a decentralized digital currency, often called digital gold, offering a secure store of value and an alternative to traditional fiat currencies. Bitcoin aims to change the way we view and store wealth. Ethereum, on the other hand, launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, is more than just digital money. It's a decentralized platform designed to support applications known as smart contracts, which can run without a central authority. Ethereum's goal? To be the foundation for decentralized applications, or dApps, making it much more versatile. Let's talk about the technology behind these cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin uses a proof-of-work system, which means that miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and secure the network. This process, while secure, can be slow and energy-intensive. Ethereum initially launched with proof-of-work too, but it's transitioning to proof-of-stake, which allows people to validate transactions based on the number of coins they hold, or stake, rather than computational power. This makes Ethereum faster, more energy efficient, and potentially more scalable. When it comes to usage, Bitcoin is straightforward. It's mainly used as a store of value, similar to gold, and for transferring value peer-to-peer. Some companies even hold Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. Ethereum, however, supports a wide range of use cases thanks to its smart contract functionality. You can use Ethereum for decentralized finance, or DeFi, where users can borrow, lend, or earn interest on assets without needing a bank. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are also a huge part of Ethereum's ecosystem, allowing for digital ownership of art, collectibles, and more. Alright, let's make this interactive. Here's a quick quiz question for you. Which cryptocurrency is known as digital gold? Is it Bitcoin or Ethereum? Comment your answer below and let's see how many of you get it right. In recent years, both Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained mainstream attention. Bitcoin has been adopted by companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy as part of their balance sheets, showing confidence in it as a store of value. Ethereum, meanwhile, is gaining traction with its upgrade to Ethereum 2.0, which aims to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. This upgrade is a big deal for the DeFi and NFT communities that rely on Ethereum's blockchain. To sum it up, Bitcoin is primarily a digital currency and store of value. It's decentralized, secure, and resistant to inflation. Ethereum, on the other hand, is a decentralized platform that hosts a world of applications, from DeFi to NFTs, thanks to its smart contract capability. Think of Bitcoin as a strong, reliable currency, while Ethereum is the more versatile platform for building digital applications. Here's a fun riddle for all of you crypto lovers. I'm known as digital gold but can't be held in your hand. I'm not a coin you'll find in your pocket. What am I? Drop your answers below. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are shaping the future of money and technology in unique ways. Which one do you think has a brighter future? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things blockchain, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.